Hello DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. In today's project, we're building a strong and stylish wall-mounted bookshelf using 3/4-inch plywood. Whether you need extra storage for books, decorations, or collectibles, this simple woodworking project is affordable, practical, and easy to customize to fit your space. Let's get started. For this project, you'll need a sheet of 3/4-inch plywood, wood screws, wood glue, sandpaper, a measuring tape, a circular saw or table saw, and mounting hardware such as a French cleat or heavy-duty brackets. Always wear safety glasses and hearing protection when operating power tools. The first step is to measure and mark the plywood according to the dimensions of your desired bookshelf. For this project, we're building a shelf that's 36 inches wide, 11 inches deep, and 4.5 inches high. Using a circular saw, carefully cut the plywood pieces according to your measurements. Take your time and follow the marked lines closely to achieve clean, straight cuts. After cutting, sand all edges and surfaces to remove splinters and rough spots. Apply wood glue along the edges where the pieces will join together. Position the side panels between the top and bottom panels. Clamp everything in place . And drill pilot holes before inserting screws. Fill the screw holes with wood filler and allow it to dry. Sand the surface smooth once again before applying paint, stain, or a clear protective finish. Choose a finish that complements your home's interior design. back panel strengthens the structure and helps keep the bookshelf square. Next, attach the back panel using wood glue and screws. Now it's time to mount the bookshelf on the wall. Locate the wall studs using a stud finder and install a French cleat or heavy-duty mounting brackets. Use a level to ensure the shelf is perfectly straight before tightening all fasteners. With the bookshelf securely mounted, it's time to arrange your favorite books and decorative items. The finished shelf is sturdy, functional, and adds a custom touch to any room. And there you have it, a beautiful DIY wall-mounted bookshelf made from 3/4-inch plywood. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future DIY woodworking projects. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next build.